Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number 7835YA-04-KD. This is and these are sold as each. This client ordered a package of 10. This is a mailbox cylinder. Operates both the new style and old style post office box style mailboxes. Taking it out of the packaging here. This is going to have a Yale 8, a Yale keyway. Yale has been the keyway of the post office for decades, over a century. I'm not exactly sure how long, but that is your lock. Includes a bottom cam for older style boxes and a rear cam and mounting screws for newer style. Okay, so your bottom cam, you can see rotating there. That cylinder is not going to come out because that bottom cam is in place. Then you're going to have that newer style cam and a couple of screws for holding it onto the rear of the unit itself. Solid brass construction. Comes with two, Yale 8 or the 999 keyway. 5-pin. Yeah, this is cut 5-pin, but it's on a 6-pin key blank. They are obviously cutting it from tip to bow, so I don't know that this is combinated as a one as the first cut here, but it's shoulder stopped. It's a 6-pin length blade, but there are only 5 cuts, where it would either be the first or the 6th cut has no cut on it. That's because of how that cylinder face sticks out so far, and the Bible of the cylinder assembly starts way back here at what would be probably the 2nd cut, would be my guess. They're used on USPS 1500 series PO box doors with the bottom cam. Salisbury models 2200 boxes are the bottom cam as well. USPS 29 series PO box doors would use that rear cam. Okay, let's take a closer look at that rear cam. Now on this bottom, on this rear cam, I should say, a bit of a telltale sign on this in terms of how it installs is that it has a couple of certainly what are stops here. This feature here, which tells me those need to be faced towards the back of the cylinder so that when they're installed, the cam can only make a 90-degree revolution until it's stopped by those features. Plus, mailbox doors are generally hinged on the right, so that cam would naturally be needing to come off the opposite side of that. So I'm going to say that it looks like that. Okay. Or just like that. Oops. Then again, those 2 screws are included there. In a brass front finish. Let's take a look and see if it's available in satin chrome. I'm sure that they can do it. Let's just see if we have it listed. Satin chrome, I would think, would be at least as common because aluminum is very typical for a finish on mailbox doors. I'm just pulling up the catalog here to see. 7835, only available in the 04 finish. That's all that it's listed in. Interesting. I would have guessed, I certainly did guess wrong on that. So, there we go. It says Ilco on the face of the cylinder. take a couple of basic dimensional properties of the item as well, for the sake of doing that. Overall length of the body, about 7/8 of an inch. Diameter of the cylinder housing, 0.608 outside diameter here. Face of the plug, 0.559. Projection of the face of the plug from the back of the cylinder, from the front of the cylinder, 0.269. Projection, 0.269. Okay. Overall length of the cylinder plug itself, 1.156. 1.156 overall length. Okay. Again, 2 Kaba Ilco keys, 999 keyway or Yale 8. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog for brass cylinders. There are also other full product catalogs there, such as their key blank catalog. There are also links to their key machine catalogs are there as well. Prior versions of catalogs are kept there. That key blank catalog is a very useful resource because it will allow you to at least help determine what key blank you have, and if Kaba Ilco doesn't have or doesn't manufacture the key blank that you're looking for, I usually find that reference is able to at least help determine what it can't be, and then process of elimination get closer to determining what keyway you'll need. Any questions on the Yale? This is their part number 7835YA, and that's your Yale reference, and an 04, that's the satin brass reference. KD means that they're keyed differently, and I'm quite sure the only way they're going to supply these to you is keyed differently. Right, that would certainly be a regulation of the Postal Service to have them all keyed differently, so there would be no other way to receive those from the factory. Any questions on the Yale 7835YA04 KD or any other Yale product, please, pardon me, any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.